Hello ladies and gents. Today we're going to look at the new Reolink ARGUS 2 Indoor-Outdoor Security Camera. So as you can see, I got the product out of the box. The unit is completely wire-free, 1080p rechargeable unit. We recommend with the solar panel so you don't have to recharge it. Unit comes with the camera itself, replaceable, rechargeable battery. It's got a magnetic stand for the unit if you want to use it in your house as a security camera. Or if you want to use it outside, it's actually got a stationary stand that swivels and you can move it around. Comes with a waterproof cover for the unit. Comes with the straps, USB micro charger, mounting hardware. The unit does not come, when you purchase the unit, does not come with your solar panel. You have to buy that separately through Reolink. And the unit does not come with a micro SD card you have to purchase. I set the unit up to my iPhone already. Very easy instructions. The camera will actually talk you through it. It is activated through your Wi-Fi. Very, very easy. It took me a couple minutes to get it activated. It's got some cool features. You can zoom in on it. It's got night vision. It's got two-way audio, so you can actually hear people talk, or you can push the talk button on your cell phone device. You could talk to them. You can do freestand pictures, so if someone knocks on your door, you're not home, you can take a freeze picture and you can record it on the SD card. It does motion detection, so if someone walks on your porch or movement in your house, it'll do a free picture. Thing is 100% wire free. There's no charge wires, no USB cables. It's got spotlight night vision. You can either use solar powered or charge the battery. It's got 1080p full HD, very wide screen. The unit has a magnetic base for indoor use. You can put it on your table, just sticks right to it. Or it's got a stationary base that just screws on, and you can screw it to your wall, your side of your house, your porch, for your front door entrance or back door entrance or your garage. The unit does have video that's crisp. I was amazed, nighttime and daytime. Very clear pictures. You can zoom in on them. You can take snap pictures. It's got motion detection. It's got a lot of cool features. It is waterproof, so it can go outside. It's got a little cover that goes over top of it with a little lid so the rain can't get into it. Very, very easy to connect to your cell phone or your iPad device or your Android device. The unit actually talks to you. It tells you exactly what to do when you put the battery in. Just got to know your Wi-Fi password. It does have smart PIR sensors, so like I was telling you, it does pick up to motion. You got kids. It's really nice to see if you're in your bedroom. It's nice to you look at your cell phone. You make sure your kids are safe. We're gonna hook it up, get it charged, put it outside where we want. We'll show you some pictures on the cell phone. I have it currently connected to an iPhone. Like I said, very, very easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you shortly.
Well, we have the camera mounted up here by the door now. Really long cord, which is nice. It goes over. This is where we put the solar panel. It actually works very well. It's a very nice camera. Alright, well I'm going to show you on the phone. Here, the little Reolink app. Once you get that set up, takes a minute to load, and look at that. Very cool. You can see right outside in the front. Also, a neat feature here, if you want to say something to somebody that's out there. Hello? Anybody out there? You can actually talk through the speaker, and you can actually hear audio on the camera as well. Very nice picture, pretty wide range, and it will you know, go off and go live anytime it detects motion. Okay, let's see if it goes live when it detects the doggy coming out. Sluggy! Oh, there it goes. You can see him. You can see him out there. Oh, can't see my phone very well when you get in the light, but it triggered. Sluggy! Come here! Come here! Yep, as you can see, it's running live on the top because it's detected the doggy coming through. And let's try the... Hello? Oh, I don't know if you can hear the echo out there, but I can actually hear. Yep. I could hear that right outside on the camera, which is obviously right outside the door here. So that's a really cool feature. And you can hear the audio through the camera here. This is really cool. I really like this camera. Clear picture, really cool. You can look at it on here. You can also, of course, put the SD card in if you need to, you know, oh, I think I caught something, you know, let's rewatch that footage. You just take the little SD card out, put it in your computer, and you can download it. So, very cool. So, that is the Reolink Argus 2 indoor-outdoor, either battery-powered or solar-powered charging camera. I really like it. So you can see it detecting my motion right there. Clear picture, versatile. Thank you so much for watching. Please check the description section below for more information on this awesome product. Thanks.